Did you know that there are over 100 types of flowers that are not only edible but also delicious? Yes, you heard it right. These blossoming beauties can add color, flavor, and nutrition to your meals. In this video, we will explore 7 of these intriguing edible flowers. First on our list is nasturtiums, a flower known for its vibrant colors and peppery taste. These edible delights are packed with vitamin C and have a unique flavor profile, making them a fantastic addition to your culinary experiments. Nasturtiums can add a pop of color and a spicy kick to your salads and sandwiches. Next up, we have violets, a flower that's as tasty as it is pretty. With their delightful sweet taste, violets are often used to add a touch of elegance to desserts and sweet dishes. Violets can be the perfect addition to your cakes and pastries. Marigolds, often used for their ornamental value, can also make a flavorful addition to your meals. Their taste, slightly bitter yet citrusy, lends itself well to savory dishes, adding a unique punch. Marigolds can give your dishes a unique, tangy twist. A barrage with its beautiful blue flowers is next on our list. Known for its cucumber-like flavor, barrage is a delightful addition to any dish. Whether tossed in a salad or used as garnish in a cocktail, barrage can add a refreshing taste to your salads and cocktails. Pansies, known for their distinctive face, are not just visually appealing but also tasty. Their flavor is mildly minty, making them perfect for a variety of dishes. From salads to desserts, pansies can add a touch of elegance and a subtle flavor to your dishes. Hibiscus, with its trumpet-shaped flowers, can be a delightful addition to your meals. This flower boasts a tangy cranberry-like flavor that's perfect for a variety of dishes. Picture it enhancing your favorite drinks or lending a unique twist to your desserts. Hibiscus can give your drinks and desserts a tangy kick. Last but not least, we have sunflowers, a flower that's as nutritious as it is beautiful. Not just a pretty face, sunflower seeds lend a uniquely nutty flavor, elevating a myriad of dishes. Sunflowers can offer a hearty, nutritious crunch to your dishes. So there you have it, 7 beautiful, edible flowers to grow and eat. From the peppery nasturtiums to the sweet violets, tangy marigolds, refreshing barrage, delicate pansies, tart hibiscus, and nutty sunflowers, each unique in flavor and use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating facts and tips about gardening. Happy gardening!